In the fast-paced digital age of 2024, having a reliable and versatile color printer is no longer a luxury. It has become an absolute necessity. Whether you're a home office enthusiast, an aspiring photographer, or a small business owner, the search for the perfect printer under $150 is in full swing. However, with a multitude of options available in the market, finding the one that perfectly suits your specific needs can be quite overwhelming. We have listed the 5 best color printers under $150 in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each color printer in the description box, so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the Canon PIXMA TR7000 820 all-in-one printer. When it comes to selecting the finest color printer under $150 in 2024, the Canon PIXMA TR7000 820 all-in-one printer emerges as a leading choice. Experience seamless printing with the PIXMA TR7000 820, which achieves an impressive speed of around 15 pages per minute for black prints and 10 pages per minute for color prints. With its compact design and convenient features, the printer measures just 13.8 x 14.8 x 8.2 inches and weighs only 16 pounds, allowing it to fit into any workspace effortlessly. The impressive max input sheet capacity of 100 sheets ensures that you can easily handle larger printing tasks without needing constant paper replenishment. The PIXMA TR7000 820 offers a stable and reliable connection through dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. The PIXMA TR7000 820 is compatible with various sheet sizes, including legal, letter, A4, A5, B5, 4x6, 5x7, 7x10, 8x10, as well as square sizes like 3.5, x 3.5, and 5x5. For custom sizes, it offers a wide range from 2.2 to 8.5 in width and 5 to 14 in length. With user convenience in mind, the printer is equipped with a 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen for effortless control. And if you like this color printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the Canon PIXMA TS7000 720 wireless printer. In the ever-evolving world of technology, the Canon PIXMA TS7000 720 wireless printer stands out as the ultimate choice for a high-quality color printer priced under $150 in 2024. With a remarkable speed of approximately 15 black and 10 color images per minute, this printer ensures that you never have to wait long for your important documents and cherished photos. With its compact dimensions of 13.8 x 14.8 x 6.7 inches and lightweight construction of only 13.8 pounds, this printer effortlessly fits into any desk space. Not only is it space efficient, but it also boasts remarkable versatility. Supporting a maximum input sheet capacity of 100, it accommodates a wide range of sheet sizes, from standard legal and letter sizes to custom dimensions. The printer's 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen enhances user experience by providing an intuitive and hassle-free operation. With dual-band Wi-Fi, the Canon PIXMA TS7000 720 offers seamless connectivity on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, ensuring a stable link between your device and the printer. It's perfect for those who are always on the go, allowing you to print from your compatible mobile devices easily. Whether you prefer the convenience of the Canon PrintApp, Apple AirPrint, or Mopria Print, this versatile printer has got you covered. If you're interested in this wireless color printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is the HPRT CP4000L Portable Photo Printer. The HPRT CP4000L Portable Photo Printer is a top choice for those searching for a high-quality color printer priced under $150 in 2024. This printer provides the perfect solution for all your photo printing needs, delivering stunning 4x6-inch prints with an impressive 300 dpi resolution. Whether you're capturing cherished memories or printing professional snapshots, the CP4000L ensures your photos are reproduced with exceptional clarity and vibrancy. This printer is effortlessly portable with its compact dimensions of 2.56 x 4.96 x 7.09 inches and a weight of just 3.56 pounds. The CP4000L is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, ensuring versatility for a wide range of smartphones. Its connectivity options are equally impressive, allowing you to print wirelessly via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or connect directly to your laptop or computer using a USB connection. The package comes complete with all the essentials to get you started: the printer, power adapter, photo paper, ribbon, micro USB cable, and a quick start guide. For optimal performance, make sure to keep the paper cassette within its maximum capacity of 18 sheets of photo paper. If you're interested in this portable printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the Canon PIXMA TR4000 720 color inkjet printer. When searching for the best color printer under $150 in 2024, the Canon PIXMA TR4000 720 color inkjet printer truly shines as a dependable and versatile option. Its compact size of 17.2 x 11.7 x 7.5 inches ensures a seamless fit into any workspace. The PIXMA TR4000 720 apart is its impressive multifunctionality, combining printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities in one device. One of the highlights is the 2-cartridge hybrid ink system, which is incredibly easy to install. It effortlessly delivers high-quality prints with an impressive resolution of 4800 x 1200p, making it suitable for various documents and vivid photos up to 8.5 x 14 inches. The option for borderless printing up to 8.5 x 11 inches is a delightful bonus, particularly for avid photographers. Experience effortless scanning and copying with our flatbed scanner, boasting a remarkable optical resolution of 600 x 1200p, ensuring sharp and precise results in vibrant colors. Simplify the process of scanning multi-page documents up to 8.5 x 14 inches with the convenient automatic document feeder. Seamlessly adjust settings, make copies, and easily send faxes using the intuitive buttons and clear 2-line LCD display. Enjoy a user-friendly experience that combines functionality and efficiency. If you're interested in this color inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the Canon PIXMA TS3522 color printer. Introducing the Canon PIXMA TS3522 color printer, a top contender for the best color printer under $150 in 2024. With its sleek design and compact size, this printer seamlessly fits into any home or small office setup. Equipped with advanced printing technology, it delivers vibrant and high-quality prints, whether documents or photos. The Canon PIXMA TS3522 offers wireless connectivity options, allowing you to print effortlessly from your smartphone or tablet. With a lightning-fast printing speed of up to 7.7 images per minute, the TS3522 ensures that your important documents and cherished photos are ready in a jiffy, saving you valuable time. The high print resolution of up to 4800 x 1200p guarantees exceptionally vibrant and sharp outputs, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. With its generous 50-sheet paper input capacity, you won't constantly refill the tray, allowing for uninterrupted productivity. The conveniently placed 1.5 segment LCD makes navigating through the settings a breeze, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience. With its compact dimensions of 12.9 x 17.2 x 5.8 inches, this device is purposefully designed to fit seamlessly on your desk without occupying valuable space. If you're interested in this all-in-one inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best color printers under $150 in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these printers. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.